Good morning everyone. Today Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, available on August 21st. Gorilla Glass Victus, that's the latest and greatest. Hybrid dual SIM. Samsung Pay via MasterCard certified. IP68 dust and water resistance up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Latest stylus with only 1 milliseconds. We have Bluetooth, accelerometer, gyro, everything. Dynamic AMOLED, 16 million colors. 6.9 inches screen, it's a huge one. 496 ppi density. Yeah. Alright. HDR10 plus, always on display, 120 Hz or 60 Hz. It's dynamic. You understand? This one has an Exynos 990. Bomber Snapdragon is way better in USA. In Europe, they will give us just old Exynos, which is not nice at all. Wow, it is looking striking. Oh, it's the black version, very nice. There's a divider here. It's a protection to not scratch the screen. Okay, we have a charger. This one is a 25 watts charger. Wait, well, it's a fast charging. Yeah, okay, fast. How fast it is? The Chinese are making 125 chargers now. Let's see. Anyway, USB Type-C cable to USB Type-C. All the way. I like it. USB Type-C should be everywhere in every device now. Get universal. And this is AKG earbuds. Oh yeah, pretty nice.
Wait a second, I need to smell it. I smell money, business.
Satisfaction. Let's see what do we have here. It's a power button. Yes, volume buttons, very clicky, I like it. Microphone, SIM card tray, nothing on this side, no buttons. Of course, stylus, which is the new stylus, 9 millisecond stylus, compared to the previous one, which is 42, I think. Okay, put it back. Speakers, USB Type-C, and another microphone. Oh yeah. Now cameras. That's important. Now and first, 12 megapixels ultra wide camera. Very nice. It's a huge one. Look, 108 megapixels wide angle camera also, and of course 12 megapixels telephoto camera. Okay, and laser focus. And on the front we have 10 megapixels. But let me show you the audio quality from this phone. It's just amazing how loud this is. It's just insane. This is 120 Hz, like you can see it's smooth. Let me go to the settings, display. Of course there's a dark mode available also. Let's leave the dark mode. I like the dark mode. Screen modes, vivid, natural, all kinds of different things. Screen resolution all the way to Full HD plus, I mean 2K. But if you set the 2K,
you lose 120 Hertz refresh rate. You see? Oh, it's still smooth. Not super smooth, but smooth. But now we have a high resolution. Pen. This is how it looks like. This time they make it faster, because the previous Note 10 has 45 millisecond. This one has 9. Really, you can feel it. It's just insanely good now. Way better. You can feel the difference. The response time is just it feels like a real pen. Camera. This is how it looks like. And this is how it feels like. Fresh. New lenses, new quality, 4K, even 8K without the limit. Beautiful.
I've smashed a couple of pictures. I have to be honest with you. This is the best photo smartphone in the world. Those pictures are just brilliant. And selfies, I'm hyped.
First impression, this screen is the best screen you can get in any smartphone. Any. It's amazing. Audio quality, best audio quality you can get in any smartphone. Well, maybe not. Maybe those huge gaming smartphones from Asus. But they have a side huge speakers, and this is slim. There's no visible speaker here, so I think it's better. Well, comparing to Samsung S20 Ultra, this is louder, way louder. And is it cleaner? No, but way louder. It's important. It's insanely loud, just insanely, for that small speaker. Just, I don't know how they did it, but they did it. Insane. Camera has extremely nice pictures. Video, I've seen better. Hashtag Oppo. But pictures just amazing, amazingly good. Well, battery could be better. I have this phone for 1 day, so I really can't say anything about battery. Just not enough time. But it lasts me for 4 hours, so I charged it twice already. We see it in a couple of days. What's with the battery? But anyway, this is a business phone, so every businessman has a power somewhere, power socket. In the car, in the office, at home. So I don't think this is a big deal anyway. Now, pen, it's just amazing. 9 milliseconds. It's a huge difference. Huge one. I love it. This pen is amazing. And there you have it. It was just an unboxing. So I think that's it for now. I'll make more videos with this phone because this phone is interesting. Thanks for watching and goodbye.